guys, this is part 2 of the air compressor. As you can see, I got the new compressor in. It's a Bendix. Yeah, this kind of loose right here, but it's a Bendix air compressor. I took the power steering out, and this is the fuel pump right there. And then you have all your lines, the air, the coolant, etc. That's how I run into it. So as you can see, this gear runs the power steering. This gear runs the fuel, and then they have a piston up inside of here. And then there's a piston up inside of here that runs the water pump and everything else, the air. So as you can see, I'm here by myself. This was my fit that I had on today. As you can see, it's trash now. I'm trying to finish up so that I could get on the road and get moving. The part was $700. The core charge was $600 plus. With tax, everything came to about $1,460. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned until I'm finished everything and running the truck. As you can see, it's in gear now. The gear is in. Just gotta put on the seal and bolt it up. They gave me this seal right here, which was a round seal, but I had to reuse the old seal for now until I get a new one. And this is basically what I'm working with. So stay tuned for the finished up product. You can see I got a bottle out. That's the only so I could get the water in there. The coolant. As you can see, everything is already put back together, and I'm gonna show you all a better view of everything when I'm done. So as you can see, these are the tools you'll be needing. You're gonna need a socket set from 10 to 17. Really, most of the bolts are 15. You got a few that's 13. You got a few that's 12, and then you got this 8mm wrench right here for the fuel pump. You're gonna need some extensions. You're gonna need an 18-inch wrench, as well as I think this is a 12, as well as a 12-inch wrench. You're gonna need some clamps, pliers. You're gonna need some 1/2-inch ratchets, 1/4 ratchets. You're gonna need a breaker bar to help break your bolts. And you're gonna need a little wrench set. You're also gonna need one of those right there, a pry bar and a hammer, just in case. You don't necessarily need those big sockets, but they're there just in case. This is basically all the tools you're gonna need to change out your air compressor. As you can see, the air compressor is in. I took the power steering off. Now it's back on. I hooked back up all the lines. I hooked back up everything. I make sure you got gasket, new seals, the whole nine. I triple clean the coolant that I have, and I'm gonna start it up. See how it runs. And I'm gonna run to the Walmart and get some more coolant, as well as engine oil. Thanks again for watching. This is how to replace your AC compressor on your own. Again, the AC compressor came into about $1,467 from the dealer. If you can find it at a parts store for cheaper, it will probably come out cheaper. Also, if your core is not damaged, you'll also get that core charge back. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Be safe on the road and enjoy your day.